Hi guys, this is an update to the no latency OBS video monitoring. So thanks to a new Windows update, you pretty much lose the ability to split up audio, where basically, to have one headphone set and multiple audio, and multiple audio unless you do some weird workarounds if you have a TV and stuff like that that has speakers on there, or you have to have two basically ways of having two sound cards in there. So basically, I'll show you what I did. So this is my OBS setup, my recording setup. I use this for this is a cord control that I was using for controlling audio. But basically, these 8 faders are being used for controlling OBS. So the first fader is for controlling the mic audio. The second one is for controlling the desktop audio. The third one is for controlling the capture card audio. This one is for fading to camera 1. This one, number 5, is for fading to desktop. Number 6 is for fading to desktop with camera. Number 7 is for fading to desktop with, for capture card without camera. Last one is for fading to capture card with camera. And so, the top ones are being used for, Firefox. This one's being used for Firefox, interface. Well, Firefox interface, this is interface, this is the TV, this is the, what I'm going to show part of this video, and then this is, the microphone input. This one is for something I don't remember, and this is focus, but these are the important ones right there. And then this does nothing at the moment. This button allows me to open up OBS. These basically allow me to just disable the preview. This one is for pausing. This one's for resuming. This one's for pausing. This one's for resuming. This is to stop the recording. This one's to start the recording. This one I don't remember because there's a lot of buttons on here. This is to mute the mic. This is to mute the desktop audio, and this is to mute the capture card. This one is to mute what I'm going to show you. This one is meant to mute something I don't remember, because I don't remember what a lot of these buttons do unless I press them. And then this one is to mute the fourth knob. And then this is silence. This is the S I have for switching, for auto muting. I don't remember what they do. Let's say I don't remember. So I'll tell you what they do. They're F, but they're hotkeys. Yeah, it's meant to they do nothing if I recall correctly. Those buttons, these S buttons, don't do anything. So, and then there's that. But getting to the video, so if you go to here, if you go to the little speaker icon, goes sounds, and then you go to where it says recording. Sorry, I'm doing this with actually one hand. So I'm just gonna show you this stuff on the computer. But first, before I do that, let me show you what it is. So as you see, I have this cable plugged in, the headphone cable plugged into here. You just need one earbud in, and your other headphones that you use for monitoring, I use those ones. These ones are aerodynamic ones I had. And then you plug it in there, make sure the driver is installed, and then you're pretty much set to go from the part I'm about to show you after this. Hi guys, so I'm at the computer now. As you can see, I'm gonna show you now. So this is the desktop, and I'm gonna show you. So first, you go here, and so after the Windows update, I think it was like um it was 6670. That's what it was. It caused printer slash network slash issues with the sound and how it works. So basically, in order to fix that and get your zero latency back, you'll need a pair of headphones. Any headphones, any earbuds will do. You can even use Bluetooth ones, so you can have a Bluetooth adapter and a Bluetooth transmitter, or you can use a Bluetooth transmitter with a wired pair of headphones. Or if you, the cheapest way is getting a cheaper sound card, or if you already have a second audio interface, use that. So you will plug in audio interface or a sound card and install the drivers. And once you install the drivers, it'll probably ask you to restart. And then you go make sure you go here. Then you to the playback. Click here. Test each device. If it is Bluetooth, then test all your Bluetooth headphones or something that won't get picked up in your mic. You can even use Bluetooth speakers, but it shouldn't be picked up in your microphone. So then whatever it is, you right click, press test. And if it sounds good like you, keep that one and adjust volume as needed. Because if you're using earbuds, you don't want it too loud. If you have it too loud in your ear, it could mess up your hearing, or it could overpower your other headphones. And then after you do that, you actually do the test, and you can adjust it to your sound taste. Then you go to recording. After you go to recording, you make sure your main audio interface, mine is Focusrite Carousel. You click on it, make sure it's set to default. And you click on this one, the microphone. If you're using Elgato, this is for Elgato specifically. Right click, and then you get this. I'm not sure about AverMedia because I don't actually have an AverMedia capture card. But you right click on it if it's Elgato, and then you go to the same thing should work for AverMedia too. So you right click on the Elgato if you're using Elgato, or however you do it for AverMedia. So you click here, click listen to this device. Then you go to which one's your device is. Mine is Realtek Audio. So click that. I click that one. Press apply, and then once you press the apply, you should have it in OBS. So then you open up OBS, and then you go to settings, and then once you go to settings, you basically go to audio, and then you set your audio device, your desktop audio, as your if you're using your main headphones to monitor the game. So if you're mainly a console gamer and you want better sound quality for like game monitoring, use the better headphones for actually that, and use the cheaper headphones for monitoring your actual computer slash information. If you're basically just care more about your desktop audio, or your PC gamer first and console gamer second, use the main headphones as that, and the earbuds for secondary monitoring. And then you put desktop audio as whichever one you prefer. I recommend the way I recommended it. If you're a console gamer, you focus on the quality of the console sound, meaning you use the better headphones there. And if you are a PC gamer, use the better headphones for your PC and cheaper one for the console. Same with the console. Cheaper headphones for the PC, better headphones for the console. So for the mic select auxiliary audio, you set it as your main audio interface. And then after that, you click on apply and OK. And then after that, you click on the little cogwheel, press advanced audio properties, and right here you'll see this. Make sure those are off because of they could interfere. And if you're recording multiple tracks, just for example, if you want your microphone on track one, you click track one on here, and don't click any there on any of these. Same if you want the actual capture card on audio on track 2, you put on track 2. Same with 3, 4, 5, and 6. You have 6 options. And then you press OK, or you press close. And then after that, you're pretty much set to go. So after that, you go to your actual you hook up the switch, you dock the switch, hook up the PS4 or PS5 or Xbox Series X or Xbox One, Nintendo Wii if you have the little HDMI dongle adapter, the Wii U, whatever console you want, PC, and then however you have it set up to actually monitor the actual device, however you have it connected to the computer, that's how you monitor the device. So now you just load up your capture card, and then load up your game. And then this is just an example of this specific game. I'm still in the middle of recording this game because I haven't been able to record it because my capture card has been acting a little funky, or it's probably been a Windows issue. So as you can see, I'm just gonna do something real quick. So no, I'm not gonna do that. I was gonna add an actual desktop scene on here just so you could see actually the desktop. And so, exit. Sauce Left, Zelda Breath of the Wild I've been playing. So these are just 2 games I've been actually playing lately. I do have another game I haven't started yet or haven't even inserted yet. I haven't even take actually the packaging off of it yet either. So yeah, so hope you like that. I'm putting in sleep mode. So yeah. So so literally with this whole thing, I don't even use the actual keyboard anymore or mouse because I was using the Stream Deck, but like let me just go back off track real quick. So I was using the Stream Deck for basically controlling OBS and most of the stuff, but I saved some actual time. So now you see the stuff about Stream Deck. It is the the um the gifts I made. So you'll see them. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Here are the gifts. They're pretty not well made, but it's something that took a little bit of time. But if you look, it's moving. It's to prevent the screen from burning. I was using a screensaver, but it was pretty. I didn't really like how it was working out. So I actually made some. So these are gifts that were actually roughly made. Because I don't know if you can see the movement. There's Plex. And there's Foobar. So, like, most of this stuff was on 3 different pages. And I had 4. So I went from 4 stream decks down to 3, down to 2, down to 1 with 3 pages. And so this will open up without Windows Explorer. This will open Firefox. This is the next page for Firefox. I was using both page up and page down, which is basically to go to the next tab or reverse tab. But since I can just search several tabs, I just add one of them. This is to create new tabs. This is for my hard drive. This is for my Plex media server. This is my music player. This is Photoshop for editing photos and making new icons. This is Handbrake, I use for rendering videos. This is OpenOffice, since my key for Microsoft Office has expired. This is KDE Connect, which is better than your phone for Microsoft. This is Note++. This is the Windows folder for Windows software. So it has CMD, PowerShell, Regedit, Paint, Magnifier, Systems, and Remote Desktop. This one has my hotkeys in there, which is copy, paste, and then screenshot. And then this one, which has a folder with another folder, which has some of my favorite subreddits in there. And then my email, YouTube account, and also YouTube upload. And this is just an anime folder with some anime sites like AnyChart and my anime list, stuff like that. So, thanks for watching. That's what the Stream Deck looks like. Thanks for watching. Bye.